Finally got my package. Let's see what's inside. We got a nice zippered case with a bunch of containers. What is it, you ask? It's to sort my seeds. This is my previous system. Very unorganized. All right, so I got all my seeds organized. It took a little while, but it looks good. I color-coded them. So I'll write a little cheat sheet of what actually the colors mean, but there's like all that color is peppers, the red is like tomatoes, and you know, there's melons and cucumbers and squash colors. So yeah, those are the seeds. I just wrote on the side what they were, but that is how I organized it.